Section 4, Quranic Stories of Waiting. Look at Prophet Ayub, alayhi salam. He lost health, wealth, and family, yet he did not complain. He said, "Indeed, hardship has touched me, and you are the most merciful." Surah Al-Anbiya 21:83. His patience was not weakness, it was love. Look at Prophet Yaqub, alayhi salam. He cried for years over the loss of Prophet Yusuf, yet he said, "I only complain of my sorrow to Allah." Surah Yusuf 12:86. His tears were not doubt, they were faith. Look at Prophet Yusuf, alayhi salam. Betrayed by his brothers, thrown into a well, sold, imprisoned, yet every delay was guiding him to his destiny. What looked like rejection was actually Allah arranging his final rise. If Allah made them wait, and they were the most beloved to Him, then who are we to say, "Why is Allah delaying me?"